Today, we're diving into Power BI, an amazing tool that helps you visualize data in a fun and engaging way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create effective dashboards and reports easily. First, let's connect our data sources. It's as easy as clicking a few buttons. Once connected, we'll create colorful visuals like charts and graphs that tell the story of our data. It all comes together in a sleek dashboard. Now, check out these diverse dashboards. Here's a sales dashboard showing trends over time, a finance dashboard for budget tracking, and a marketing dashboard highlighting campaign performance. Each one is designed to share key insights quickly and visually. Isn't it great how much info you can see at a glance? Let's not forget about interactivity. With filters and slicers, you can drill down to specific data points. This makes exploring your data straightforward and engaging. To wrap up, remember these powerful features in Power BI. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for